Hey there, fellow woodworker. Have you ever wanted to build something yourself because you couldn't find it in the store or needed something custom for a specific need? Ever struggled to find specific plans for that dream project? These are problems most of us have faced when we first started woodworking. If you've ever dreamed of being able to build whatever you want, then this might just be the best letter you've ever read. Instead of spending the next few days or weeks looking for that special something to build, or spending a fortune buying it, or even worse, paying someone to make it for you, you can make it on your own and have all the satisfaction of knowing that you made it with your own two hands every time you walk into the room. If you've ever looked for plans for something to build, the problem is that most of the free plans out on the internet are just garbage. Reason number one, plans usually aren't specific enough. There's always a step or two missing, or the measurements are off. Measure twice and cut once, I always say. Hard to do if you don't have the right measurements, or even worse, the wrong ones. The instructions have left out the really important information, and if you're a rookie like me, then you're lost and frustrated. Plus, it can be costly. They might even assume you're a master craftsman with all the right tools and a sweet workshop. Sometimes they just give you plans that are just too complex for newbies. Not knowing where to attach carrot bolts, etc., that's not something to guess about. These so-called step-by-step plans make woodworking harder than it actually is. Their plans or projects don't include the cut sheets. Without these cut sheets, you're just guesstimating on your materials. The pictures don't always match what is being explained. They make it look easier because they're missing steps. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. Luckily for us, somebody did us all a favor. His name is Ted McGrath. Over the last 25 plus years, he has put together the most comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. What if I was to tell you you could get your hands on 16,000 different woodworking projects that contain done-for-you plans that include step-by-step blueprints you can build on your own beautiful and professional woodworking projects. There's no need for a large workshop or expensive tools. All projects are super detailed and there's no guesswork. Your detailed projects with step-by-step A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy, and super fun. With the simple hold you by the hand instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in the small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker by your side, guiding you through the entire project. You get exact cutting and materials lists for every project. You'll be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll stop wasting your hard-earned cash on the wrong amounts of wood, the wrong materials, and the wrong quantity. It saves you time and cuts down waste. Overall, it saves you money. You'll spend more time building and less time being frustrated. With sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan, there's simply no guesswork involved. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. When instructions are this clear, your project builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. You get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. Most plans don't include this and simply assume you'll end up building something that doesn't even look like the drawing. You get intricate details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. We've got plans that cover all levels of skill and competence. You don't need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use our plans. Whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur woodworker with hand tools, or a seasoned pro, you'll find thousands of projects that will suit your skill level. Plans so detailed to practically build themselves. All your plans come with highly detailed schematics, so there's no need for guesswork. So let's review. There's over 16,000 detailed projects. That's less than a half a penny each. Now that's some value. Click in the description below for a one-time membership fee. When you become a member, you'll receive lifetime access and a member for life. New plans released monthly. Happy building.